Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a simple task manager with MySQL is a great way to get started with database management and web development. This tutorial will guide you through creating a basic task manager application using PHP and MySQL. We'll cover setting up the database, creating a simple PHP interface, and performing basic CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations. Step 1, setting up the environment. Before we begin, ensure you have the following installed on your machine. 1 web server, you can use XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP, which include Apache and MySQL. 2 PHP, make sure PHP is installed and configured. 3 MySQL, it should come with your server package. 4 a code editor, use any code editor of your choice, like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, etc. Step 2, create the MySQL database. 1 start your MySQL server. 2 open your MySQL command line or a tool like phpMyAdmin. 3 create a new database. SQL. Create database task_manager. Use task_manager. 4 create a table for tasks. SQL. Create table tasks. ID int auto_increment primary key. Title varchar, 255, not null. Description text. Status enum, pending, completed, default pending. Created _ timestamp default current _timestamp. Step 3, create a basic PHP application. 1 in your web server's root directory, for XAMPP, it's usually c/XAMPP /height create a new directory called task_manager. 2 inside this directory, create the following files. index.php, add_task.php, update_task.php, delete_task.php, db.php. Step 4, database connection, db.php. Create a file called db.php to handle the database connection. PHP. $host equals localhost. $db_name equals task_manager. $username equals root, // default for XAMPP. $password equals, // default for XAMPP. Try. $pdo equals new PDO, mysql host equals $host, name equals $db_name, $username, $password. $pdo-set attribute, PDO_ATTR_error mode, PDO error mode _exception. Catch, PDO exception $e. Die, could not connect to the database $db_name $e-get message. Step 5, display tasks, index.php. Create the index.php file to display tasks and provide a form to add new tasks. PHP. Include db.php. $stmt equals $pdo-query, select asterisk from tasks. $tasks equals $stmt-fetch all, PDO fetch_association. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title task manager /title. /head. Body. H1 task manager /H1. H2 add task /H2. Form action equals add_task.php method equals post. Input type equals text name equals title placeholder equals task title required. Text area name equals description placeholder equals task description / text area. Button type equals submit add task / button. / form. h2 task / h2. ul. PHP for each, $tasks as $task. Li. Strong, PHP echo HTML special cars, $task title, / strong br. PHP echo HTML special cars, $task description, br. Status, PHP echo HTML special cars, $task status. Ahref equals update_task.php, ID equals, PHP echo $task ID, edit / a. Ahref equals delete_task.php, ID equals, PHP echo $task ID, delete / a. / li. PHP and foriac. / ul. / body. / HTML. ### step 6, add task, add_task.php. Create the add_task.php file to handle the form submission. PHP. Include db.php. If $_server request _method equals post. $title equals $_post title. $description equals $_post description. $stmt equals $pto-prepare, insert into tasks, title, description, values. $stmt-execute, $title, $description. Header, location, index.php. ### step 7, update task, update_task.php. Create the update_task.php file to edit existing tasks. PHP. Include db.php. If $_server request _method equals post. $ID equals $_post ID. $title equals $_post title. $description equals $_post description. $stmt equals $pto-prepare, update task set title equals, description equals. Where ID equals. $stmt-execute, $title, $description, $ID. Header, location, index.php. $ID equals $_get ID. $stmt equals $pto-prepare, select asterisk from tasks where ID equals. $stmt-execute, $ID. $task equals $stmt-fetch, pdo fetch _association. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title edit task / title. / head. Body. H1 edit task / H1. Form action equals update_task.php method equals post. Input type equals hidden name equals ID value equals, PHP echo $task ID. Input type equals text name equals title value equals, PHP echo HTML special cars, $task title, required. Text area name equals description, PHP echo HTML special cars, $task description, / text area. Button type equals submit update task / button. / form. / body. / HTML. Hashtag step 8, delete task, delete_task.php. Finally, create the delete_task.php file to handle task deletion. PHP. Include db.php. $ID equals $_get ID. $stmt equals $pto-prepare, delete from tasks where ID equals $stmt-execute, $ID. Header, location, index.php. Hashtag step 9, testing your application. 1. Start your web server, XAMPP, WAMP, MAMP. 2. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost/task_manager/index.php. 3. You should see the task manager interface where you can add, edit, and delete tasks. Hashtag conclusion. Congratulations! You've built a basic task manager application using MySQL and PHP. This application allows you to create, read, update, and delete tasks. From here, you can expand it by adding user authentication, task deadlines, priority levels, or even using a front-end framework like React or Vue.js for a more interactive experience. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further enhancements.